Duncan.
Oh, it's this.
I'm about to go get a bowl of water for the way. Aren't you hot? It is hot, dude. What are you and your daddy doing for the 4th?
Just gonna do some fireworks fly. Who are you talking to on the phone?
Am.
Oh, and then
No. I'm reading. I'm Kennedy, my bad.
hey, bud.
There's Grandma and Grandpa and Tracy. And Ann is coming up here. And we're gonna barbecue.
Do firecrackers like we did last year.
Yep, just like how we did last year. And know if your dad was gonna let you come over for that or not.
What?
Said I didn't know if your dad was gonna let you come over for that or
That's
not.
if you invite him.
Huh?
That's if you invite him.
Why? Why do you say that?
You should invite him.
So why?
Cause you should do it.
Huh?
Just do it.
Why?
Cause
For what purpose?
I don't want you to.
Well, I'm not going to.
Why?
Because
Tell me why.
people don't get along very well. Mommy doesn't like doing everything with your dad. That's why Mommy is single. That's why Mommy lives here. Get out of my car. Little turd. What'd I say? Get out of the car. It is really, really hot in there. It is too hot for you to be up in there.
This one's for America.
Doors are locked. Good luck in getting
Woo!
that
On
pumpkin.
this.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Might want to delete that one. I didn't like walked right in it.
That's okay.
Twice.
It's alright. I did it too.
Why are you recording?
I don't want to. I'm weird.
Silly.
I took it off.
Why?
Cause
No, not yet.
Men,
Hold on.
that is how you play basketball. True game, boys.
You gotta take the things out of it.
Click up here if you want to know how
No, not
my
yet.
life is.
Hang on.
And click over there if you want to play my new game. See y'all
Take
dudes.
the teeth out of it.
Fist pump, pound it, nugget.
All right, man.
See y'all later.